An earthquake was felt in Monpura Upazila of Bhola. The tremor was experienced around 6 a.m. on Friday, 9 January, spreading panic across the entire island. During the quake, residential houses, mosques, government and private buildings, and hospitals were seen to shake. Residents of the Madrasa Road area said that their homes were clearly swaying during the quakes, and water in ponds could be seen rippling. Many people woke up suddenly and rushed outside their homes. According to local sources, the tremor felt along the Monpura coast was the result of an earthquake that occurred in neighboring regions, including Manipur and Assam in India. However, no reports of casualties or damage have been received so far. It is worth noting that previously, in May 2024, tremors were felt in various parts of Bangladesh, including Monpura in Bhola, due to the impact of a 3.5 magnitude earthquake in Manipur, India. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.